Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a small unboxing today from a company called Keep On Sale. Whoops, Keep On Sale. They graciously sent me a pair of earrings, which I want to show you now, and have offered me a discount code for the rest of the month of December for 20% off. So let's take a look inside the box. I'd never heard of them before, but I was really impressed when I saw what they had to offer on the website. So here's a little thank you, and they give a little bit of information about care for your piece. It came in this box, wrapped really well, really securely. And open all of this up. Here is a silver polishing cloth. Here is the box. And then here is some information about Moissanite. And then at the bottom, they give you a little gift bag if you're giving this as a gift, so you have something to put the box in. So let me get into the item right now, or items. So I did a bad job of putting the bow back on, guys, because I did give a little look. So the jewelry came in this beautiful travel pouch. And here's a box with places if you want to put your item back down into the box. But I will be storing this in my jewelry box. And let's open it up and I will show you the item that I chose. Now I do have a discount code. It's Dawn20. And it's for 20% off whatever you see on their website. There's sterling silver, there's gold-plated items, and what I chose are in these bags. I chose a pair of 1-carat Moissanite studs, and the earrings are 1 carat a piece. And let's get them out. I got the earrings and a variety of different bags that they sent with them. So it's nice to have a little bit extra. So as soon as I get these out of the package, I'm going to show you what they look like. They're really gorgeous. And I was asked to unbox, so have a bit of patience while I get these out. I kept everything in the original packaging so that you could see. They were packaged individually. And here are the earrings. Put the back on this. And let's take a look. Look at these guys. They're 1 carat each. And, oops, that's backwards. And I don't know if I can even show you how much they glisten, but these are just so incredibly sparkly. It's like a rainbow every time you turn them. Let me bring them in close. Look at that sparkle. I mean, they're gorgeous. I'm going to be wearing these tonight because I am going out. And I think that these will be just beautiful with one. I took one earring off, so hopefully you can see how much these sparkle. I mean, these are really absolutely beautiful. And again, this is 1 carat set in sterling silver. And I do have another earring. It's in my other ear right now, but this is just beautiful. Here's what the post looks like if you want to see it close up and the setting. So just wanted to give you a look at how beautifully sparkly and shiny these are in person. So let me put them on and I will show you what they look like in my ears. You know, I've been really into earrings lately. I have my second piercing opened, but I'm going to put these in my first piercing so that you can see. I had a very, very hard time choosing. They have a really nice assortment of wedding sets and rings, but I don't need a wedding set. I mean, I don't have a husband, so I don't really need to get another ring. So I thought that the earrings were definitely a much better choice for me. And it's going to take me a second. There we go. Look at that. I mean, that's a present. One earring in. Look at that. I mean, they're just absolutely stunning. I will have these earrings linked in my description box so you could go down and take a look. And please explore what else they have to offer because they really have some amazing, amazing pieces. And show you what it looks like with the whole set of 2 earrings. Look at that, guys. I mean, you can't miss these. These are stunning. Absolutely stunning. So if you want to make a nice gift for someone, not spend a whole lot of money because these are very, very reasonably priced, especially depending on the size that you choose, head on over to Keep On Sale. I'm going to put their information in the box. After December, the discount will be 10%. But again, the code is Dawn20, and you have the whole month of Christmas to enjoy a 20% off discount. They just gifted me the earrings, guys. I don't get any kind of compensation if you buy anything, so just putting that out there. But I am just so thankful. Thank you, Keep On Sale. These are just gorgeous. And I am delighted to wear these tonight. Absolutely. I feel like $1 billion. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.